All right, here's our preschool. This is where our craft stations are. Have all of our craft supplies in these cabinets. We do a lot of free play choice timetables in this area. Over here is where all the cubbies are, where kids can keep their belongings. We have a little bathroom, sink, and then over here, we have a little slide, puppet show, and then this is where all of our toys are. And then over here is where we do our circle time lessons. Every kid has a carpet square. My high schoolers teach up in front of the classroom. Here's a bunch of books, our library, play tent. And then if we come over here, this is where our snack time takes place. We provide snack every day for the kids. And then this is the kid kitchen, play kitchen. And then teacher desks. So this is a big view of our space that we have with all the kids.